Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy paste file, text or photo in your MacBook. So whether you are using MacBook Air or MacBook Pro or iMac, the methods are same. So what you have to do, if you want to copy text, what you have to do, just click on it. Now if I want to copy this, okay, so there are two ways by which you can copy text. First way is to click Command and C. Okay, now I'm going to paste it. Now to paste you have to click Command and V. Okay, so like this. And second way is just like this, just select that word and right click on your touchpad. Okay, now here you will see copy option. Just click on it, and if you want to paste, just right click again and click on paste. So like this you can copy and paste. Now if you want to copy file, what you have to do, if I want to copy this one, okay, so now what you have to do, just click on it. You can also use the same method, command plus C, and if you want to paste it in this, okay, now here command and V, so you will see that it has been copied. So like this you can copy it, and you can also just select the file and press right key here, and here you will see copy option. Just click on it, and you can also paste just by selecting it, and you can click on paste. Okay, paste item. So like this you can copy and paste in MacBook Air or MacBook Pro or iMac. So if you like this video, please like my video or subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.